NFL's request to move up Ezekiel Elliott's hearing for preliminary injunction. The NFL wants to move up the hearing on Ezekiel Elliott's motion for a preliminary injunction regarding the arbitrator's decision to uphold the 6-game suspension the league leveled against him. The original hearing was set to take place on October 30th, but the NFL doesn't want to wait that long. The league filed the request on Friday afternoon. Elliott, who is engaged in a legal battle to overturn the 6-game suspension he received for violating the NFL's personal conduct policy, this week received a restraining order to block the NFL from being able to carry out its punishment. That order enables him to continue playing until the October 30th hearing. He is eligible to play in this Sunday's game at San Francisco and would be able to play at Washington the following week. However, confident in the validity of the arbitrator's decision to uphold the suspension, the NFL wants the hearing to take place as soon as possible. The league wants the hearing and decision to take place prior to the Cowboys game at Washington on October 29th. More NFL confident Ezekiel Elliott's suspension will be upheld, not looking to settle case more. Carson Wentz, Eagles may have winning formula in wide-open NFC. The NFL in the same motion asked for an expedited briefing scheduled for a ruling by Judge Catherine Fila on the merits of a case. Fila is on vacation, and U.S. District Judge Paul Crotty of the Southern District of New York filled in for her, granting the temporary restraining order. It wasn't clear when Fila would return from vacation. The NFL Players Association, which requested the restraining order on behalf of Elliott, opposes the request to move up the date of the preliminary hearing. Earlier this week, a report out of Dallas claimed that the NFL and Elliott, along with the NFLPA, were discussing a potential settlement. But a person familiar with the NFLPA's deliberations called that report false. Friday, during a conference call with reporters, NFL VP of Communications Joe Lockhart also denied such talks and said, "We are confident that our argument will prevail in court later this month." The earliest possible date that the NFL could learn whether the courts will grant its request for an expedited hearing is October 25. Photos: Ezekiel Elliott. Through the years,